A lot of us are showing interest in the Profirm accounts or challenge stuff that I talked about. And I've realized that the process to do the registration is actually a challenge because of the questions that I'm getting in my inbox. Because of that, I've decided to do this video to show you how you can successfully do the registration without even contacting me. You may only contact me if you need my link, which is the referral link to do the registration, because this video will tell you or will hold your hand and show you how to do the whole registration successfully. So let me take you straight to the platform, and then we'll look at the process to do the registration. Now, this is my Forex fund platform. But let me say this, I do not have any shares in this company. And I do not in any way trying to refer them to you at all cost. I am only trying to share my experience with them and the fact that I have used them and I have made success with them. I have made a couple of withdrawals from them. And because of that, I feel like sharing their information with you. I don't know what experience you might get with them, but my experience is what has led me to actually talking about them to you on this channel. So it's absolutely something that you can decide not to do it, or you can give it a try. It is not an obligation to, by force, do this. Please, I want to sound this as a warning so that tomorrow, no one will point hands at me or fingers at me and say, hey, you deceived me or whatsoever. So this is purely something I am only talking about based on my experience. I have registered with them. And since last year, I've been making withdrawals from them, small, although my profits are not huge, but small, I'm getting the withdrawals. I am not the only person. There are a few people that I have recommended them to who are equally making withdrawals. Some are in the UK, some are in the US and other countries, and they are making the withdrawals. So please, I just want to say it again that they are a company that I do not have anything to do with regards to shares or partnership or whatsoever. I just feel like sharing my experience with them with you to also give it a try if the need be. Is that okay? Aside that, I have a referral link from them that if you want to register, you may have to contact me and take my referral link, because those who will register through my referral link, I have a way of helping them to also succeed or to pass the evaluation phase and to get a live account and start trading, because it's hard to get money to start trading on your own. So if there is an institution that is giving money and all they are looking for is a good trader, then why not help you to also get that funds from them and make some monies? So if you register through my link, then I will also be willing to support you, to help you, to guide you to be able to pass through the evaluation processes and to get a live account with them and begin to trade and also get something out of it. Is that okay? So if you will register, you need to contact me and take my referral link. Now, to contact me, there are so many ways you can easily contact me. If you want to contact me, I have a Telegram handle. Search for Kofi Dollar. Kofi Dollar is a one word, K-O-F-I. K-O-F-I, that's Kofi. And the dollar is, as usual, the dollar, D-O-L-L-A-R, Kofi Dollar. Just search for this name. I should be the only one with this name. There's nothing added on Telegram to this. Kofi Dollar on Telegram. It should pop up and it should be me alone. There's nothing added to the Kofi Dollar. It's just Kofi Dollar alone. So just search for Kofi Dollar alone. Get in touch with me and I can give you the link to register. Is that okay? On Telegram. Thank you. Now, let's go straight into how to get registered. Now, once I send you the link, when you open the link, it will take you to an interface like this, depending on which device you are using. If you are using your mobile phone, The interface will look similar, but this is the PC version. So if you're using your PC, you may see something of this sort. Then what you need to do, or better still, maybe if I go to the main menu like this, if I click on this, yes, this is how you will see it. This is the interface that you will see when I send you the link. So once you see an interface like this, you see it. Now, my Forex fund, they have 3 main packages on their platform. They have what they call the rapid package. They have what they call the evaluation package. And then they have the accelerated package. These 3 packages have what they do. The rapid packages, you just want to start with a live account immediately. So you just want to register or pay something small. They will give you a live account immediately. But those live accounts have a lot of restrictions because they do not know whether you are even a good trader or not. They have not seen your performances. So they restrict you so much that sometimes it's hard for you to make profit from the straightforward live account, which is the rapid account or the accelerated account. So the rapid account, which is here, and then the accelerated account, which is also here, they are all straightforward accounts that they give you, but with a lot of restrictions. So I always advise that the best to go for is the evaluation, which is the one in the middle here. The evaluation here is the best to go for. The evaluation is actually to tell them who you are, because they are going to give you 2 demo accounts, one on phase 1, and then the second demo account on phase 2, all in the name of trying to know how good you are as a trader. And once you prove to them that you're a good trader, they give you the live account with minimum restriction. The restrictions are not many. The restrictions that are given to you during evaluation process, it is the same restrictions that are given to you during the live account. So it becomes easier for you to trade and make the bigger profit that you want to make from them. That is why I always recommend that you go for the evaluation. Once you pass the phase 1 and phase 2, you are free to go. So let me take you through these 3 major lessons. So like I said, you will go for the evaluation. So you go for the evaluation package. So when you come to the top here, they have what they call programs. When you look at the top here, you see programs. When you click on the programs, at this point, you haven't signed up yet. Okay? At this point, you haven't signed up yet. You just want to research to find out what they have. So when you come to the programs over there, like I'm showing you, you see the 3 programs that they have. So if you click on the programs, sorry, excuse me. Now, when you click on the program, these 3 programs will come. They have the rapid, they have the evaluation, and then they have the accelerated. Then you can click on the evaluation, which is the middle one here, evaluation. When you click on it, you scroll down. Now, everything you need to know about this, the introduction to prop firm evaluation, everything, the details are all there. But this is the most important part, which I want you to take note of. At this part, they have different accounts. They have accounts starting from 5,000 to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, $100,000, $200,000, and then $300,000. Now, each of these packages, there is a fee you have to pay to get. And it is just a one-time fee. You only pay it once, but it is even a refundable fee. Refundable in the sense that when you pass phase 1, phase 2 challenge, and you are given a live account, when you make profit on that live account, and they are about to pay you your share, they will add this money that you used in subscribing to the evaluation. That money will be added back to your commission when they are paying you. So this money you are paying is not lost. Once you can be able to pass and get a live account and begin to make profit, your money will be returned to you when they are giving you your first payout. So that is why I'm saying it is a refundable amount. So if you want to go for the 5,000 package, the last part of it will tell you how much you will pay, which is $49. If you are going for the 10,000 evaluation, you will pay $84. If you are going for the 200,000, you will pay for $139. If you are going for the 50,000 evaluation, you will pay for $299. If you are going for the 100,000, you will pay for $499. If you are going for the 200,000, you will pay $979. If you are going for the 300,000 evaluation, you go for $1,389 for the 300,000 evaluation. Now, you would have to choose based on what you can afford. You have to choose based on what you can afford. Now, each account has its regulation. The number of trading days is not specified. If you choose all this, it is just a minimum of 5 days. You can use a minimum of 5 days upwards to pass it. Okay? A minimum of 5 days, and then a maximum of 60 days to pass the first phase, and then the second phase. So the minimum of 5 days, some people I know even use 2 days to pass. I know a guy who used a single day to pass. So you just have to be determined and get things right. Okay? Now, the phase 1, they have written something here which is very important. Depending on any of the accounts that you choose, the phase 1, the evaluation phase, you are looking for a target of 8%. So you have to make a profit of 8%. And then the phase 2, you have to make a total profit of 5%. So if you are choosing 5,000, the profit you have to make on 5,000 is 8% of 5,000, which is $400. If you are choosing the 10,000, 8% of 10,000 is what? $800. If you choose the 20,000, you have to make 1,600 as the phase 1. If you choose the 50,000, you have to make around $4,000 in that order. So 8% of whatever account you will choose. That is your first phase target. Your second phase target is just 5%. So if you choose the 5,000 account, you are just asked to make $250. If you choose 10,000, you just need a profit of $500. If you choose the 20,000, you need just a profit of $1,000 in that order to pass the second phase. So in as much as they are giving you this target to pass, you also have a limit that you can lose up to. That is the drawdowns. So when you take the $5,000 account, they are telling you that on daily, you are not supposed to lose more than $250 on your account on a single day. And a single day means the beginning of a trading day to the end of the trading day. You are not supposed to lose more than $250 if you are choosing 5,000 account. If you lose more than $250 in a day, you have violated the rule, and then the account will be taken from you. And that means your money is also gone. Get it right. Once you lose more than $250, for instance, the $5,000, if you choose the 5,000, you are not supposed to lose more than $250 a day. If you choose the 10,000, you are not supposed to lose more than $500 a day. If you choose the $20,000 account, you are not supposed to lose more than $1,000 a day. If you choose the $50,000 account, you are not supposed to lose more than $2,500 a day. If you choose the 100,000 account, you are not supposed to lose more than $5,000 a day. If you choose the $200,000 account, you are not supposed to lose more than $10,000 a day. If you choose the 300,000 account, you are not supposed to lose more than $15,000 a day. But assuming that today, let's say you took the $5,000 account, okay, you chose the first package here, which is the 5,000. Then maybe assuming today you lost $200, it means you didn't lose more than $250. So your account is still intact. And then the next day you lose another $100. You didn't lose up to $250. So your account is still intact. And then you kept on losing. Maybe the third day you lost $200 again. Now they are saying that on daily, if you are losing, when they accumulate the total losses for each day, the total accumulated losses shouldn't be more than 600, which is the overall drawdown. I don't know if you get this clear. You lost 200 today. It is not up to 250, so you didn't violate the daily drawdown. The next day you lost 150 or 100. You didn't lose more than 250, so still your account is intact. The next day you lost something again. So when they calculate all the losses together, although you didn't lose more than $250 a day, You didn't lose more than that a day. But when they accumulate all your losses, it shouldn't be more than $600 here. Once it is more than $600 or it becomes more than $600, you have violated another rule. Do you get it? So you are not supposed to lose more than $250 a day. And then your overall drawdown should, or your overall losses shouldn't also exceed $600. This is the whole rule. When you choose the 10,000 package, it's also here. You are not supposed to lose more than $500 a day. And then your overall drawdown shouldn't be more than, or your overall losses shouldn't be more than 1,200. If you choose the $20,000 account, you shouldn't lose more than $1,000 a day. And your overall losses shouldn't be more than 2,400. So if your overall losses is around 1,200 and you chose maybe the 20,000, and then maybe your overall drawdown is up to 2,000, you are still active. Although on daily, you didn't lose more than 1,000. Maybe today you lost $800. The next day you lost maybe 500. The next day you lost 200. That is 1,500. The next day you lost 500. That is in total $2,000 losses. So far as it doesn't exceed the $2,400, your account is still intact. So once you begin to make profits, then it begins to increase again. It begins to increase again. You get it? So that is the overall drawdown. Now, the leverage that you are giving on the account is 1:100. That is the standard leverage you are giving on the account, 1:100. Because when they give you the live account, it's still going to be the same leverage. So take note of the leverage, and that is it. So once you are setting on the package you want, all you need to do is to click on select plan, which is below there. You click on what? Select plan. You click on select plan. So let's do that and see quickly what we have, okay? So let's go and select select plan. So you come to the down. If it is the 5,000 one that you want, you come below to the 5,000, you see select plan. If it is the 10,000, you see select plan. Any of the accounts that you want, you see select plan. So you choose the plan that you want. So if it is the 5,000, then you pick the 5,000. For example, you select plan. You click on select plan. It will load, depending on how fast your internet is. Now, this is the 5,000 evaluation plan. So they are asking you to now register. So this is where you will now register. So during your registration, they are asking you which of the platforms you want to use to trade, whether the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So if it is MetaTrader 4, you leave it on MetaTrader 4. And then the amount you pay is the $49 for the 5,000 evaluation. So once you don't want the MetaTrader 4, maybe you trade on MetaTrader 5, you can change the platform to maybe MetaTrader 5. Then you can continue the registration. Then you now register. So once you choose the platform and you click on register, it will open and take you to where you will have to input the details. So at this point, this is what you are buying. If you don't have any coupon, at the moment, they are not offering any coupon. If you have a coupon from them, you can input the coupon code over here. But since you don't have any coupon, and then you don't have to worry about anything, you just have to continue. And then to continue, you have to come to this area that says proceed to check out. Proceed to check out. Then you continue to proceed to check out. So let's go to proceed to check out. You click on proceed to check out. Then this is where you can input your details. So your name, your last name, country, where you are, you put that there, your street address, your everything. So this is where you input every detail. Then when you finish inputting this, you choose your payment method, whether you want to use the card to pay or any other payment method that you want to use. You will use it to make the payments. And once you finish, you click on register. You have to check these boxes here. When you are through, you have to, if you want to use Bitcoin, then that is where you will take this one and use the Bitcoin and then other cryptocurrencies to pay. Then that means you are going to skip the card payment. But in case you are using card payment, you just choose the card payment and then you will skip the Bitcoin and other currency. You skip this one. Then you then choose the terms and conditions here. You tick this box here and tick this box here. Then when you finish, you click on register, which is here, and you are good to go. It is as simple as that. So that is how you can register. So once you register, remember, you are going to have your details, your email address, and then your password. Your email address and your password becomes your login details. Your email address and password becomes your login details. And you can always log into your account and be able to check whatever you want to check. Once you log in, or once you finish the purchase and your account is created, they will send you the MetaTrader 4 login details or the MetaTrader 5 login details in your email. You'll get that one in your email. Okay. So once you get that also, then that is it. Now they also have buy with GPay. So those of you who are using GPay, you can use GPay to also pay or buy. So GPay one is also here. If you want to use the Google Pay payment method, you can also use that. So they have a lot of payment options in terms of payment. You get it. So that is that. So this is what you need to know. Once your account login details is set, and then they have sent you, or they sent you your MT4 or MT5 login details in your email, you will go into your email. Then you will now use those login details to enter into your MT4, and then you log in, and then your account will be ready to start trading. And that is when, after you finish the sign up or you finish buying the package, you will contact me again, tell me the package you bought. I will add you to the group that I created, okay? I will then add you to the group that I created and then give you instructions as to what to do, what trade to take, the lot size you should use, the take profit you should use, and all the blah, blah, blah will now be between you and I. Then we will deal with that smoothly. And then we hold each other's hand to see to it that you will pass the evaluation 1 and 2 successfully. But remember, you will need to get in touch with me and get my referral link. And then you can use that link to do the registration or to buy the package. That is that. So that is that I can say. And please, if you have any questions, just send me a message on Telegram. Ask me whatever question is bothering you, and I'll get it answered. Thank you. And I wish you all the best. In case you have one or you want to take one, I wish you all the best. All right. Thank you.